Okay. TW2342. Lady Mill. Please introduce yourself.
Okay. Good day, my dear employer. My name is Lady Midrelon, 38 years of age. I am a solo parent with 14 years old daughter. I am a college undergraduate taking up associate in computer technology. I am a Roman Catholic. I
Okay.
am currently living here in the Philippines, Manila.
Okay. How far
My
is your
current
place to Manila? Oh, you are near Manila?
Yes, ma'am.
So exactly in Manila.
Now in Manila, yeah, in Manila, ma'am, Philippines.
Oh, okay.
Before,
Uh-huh.
because I came from in province,
Oh, where's
so
your
I just
province?
came here,
Where is your province?
province in Zamboanga del Norte, ma'am.
Oh, how far is to Manila?
I think it's in for plane, it's taking up like 1 hour and a half
Oh,
for by plane, ma'am. If by
1 hour and a half.
sea, it's 2 days.
Oh, okay. So you stay in Manila for looking for a job, right?
For
For
this, ma'am,
applying a job.
applying for Hong Kong, ma'am.
Okay. How about your
Yes,
daughter?
ma'am.
Your daughter is staying in province or with you in Manila?
In province, ma'am, with my parents,
Ah, okay. All right.
with my mama and papa.
Okay. So okay, can you tell me about your DH experience?
Years experience, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah.
DH
Um,
experience.
I worked as domestic helper in Singapore last 2020, no, 2017 to 2019 for 2 years, finished contract as nanny and domestic helper. In Qatar, last 2020 to 2022 as a domestic helper. Jordan, last 2020 to 2022 as nanny and domestic helper. In Saudi Arabia, last 2023 to 2025 as nanny and domestic helper.
Mm.
My duties and
Okay, go ahead.
okay. My duties and responsibilities are doing household chores such as cleaning the house, especially toilets, cooking. I do marketing also, and most especially I am taking the children's.
In all 4 countries, your job is similar.
Yes, ma'am. In Qatar, I taking care 2 kids, but they are older. In Singapore, I taking care of 1 year old boy and a 3 years old girl. In Qatar, I taking care of Madam and Sir is already old. They are 55 and 60, and then the kids are 16 and 17. In Amman, Jordan, mom only and the kid, a daughter na age 9 years old and 45 years old as a solo parent also. In Saudi Arabia, there are 8 of the family, members of the family. The the youngest is 1 year old, and then the rest is already teenagers like ages 13, 14, 15, and then 16 and 20. And Madam and Sir is 50 and 60.
Mm. So wow, so a big family in Saudi.
Yes, ma'am. The last one, they're big.
Are you the only helper?
Yes, ma'am. I do all around. I first time in the morning, I will clean the I will when they are sleeping, I clean all the house first and cooking, and
Mhm.
then very rush, and then because when they wake up and the kids the baby will wake up, I will be the one who get the baby and taking care of the baby until they wake up again. Then when they wake up, I will give the baby to Madam, and then Madam will taking care of the baby, and I will serve all of the family
Okay.
until night, until I go bed. I need to taking care of them all. They are 8 of the family. So if I have a vacant, I have the baby. I taking care of the baby all day. Yeah.
Okay. So you it seems that oh, it seems that you only work for 2 years in each country, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, why is that? Why you only work for 2 years in each country?
I work 2 years in each country, ma'am, because I want to try the try the I I want to try every country, what is the culture, and then I want to to work with them, like what is the difference in each country. And then also I want to explore, and then I want to know myself, if I am flexible to interact with other people and to interact with other employers if I can. But in that 2 years country I've been, all the employers are very good. They are nice to me, and I don't have any break contracts, ma'am. I just go straight, and then I finish all my contract very smoothly, and then I exit, and then that's it. And then my employer asked me if I want to come back, I will just call them, like that. Then I told them if I will come back, I will just call, and then they will get me back. And then because then this I told myself that if I have enough money, if in my hands, I will go to Hong Kong, because Hong Kong is my my first choice before, but I don't have enough money to you know to 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 make my requirements, because I don't have in my hand, I don't have enough money, I don't have savings. Because in Arab country, ma'am, they are all free. They give us free food, free house, free tickets, and all that, and free medical. And that's why I need to go first in other country to save money. And then I told myself, if I have enough, I will go to Hong Kong, because Hong Kong is my dreamland, is my dream country to work. Hopefully.
Okay, so I hopefully Hong Kong is the last country you
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will work
Hopefully,
for.
ma'am. I, I promise myself Hong Kong. If I go Hong Kong now, I will stick in
You
there.
stay longer. Okay. So you take care baby. I mean the youngest baby or kid you took care in the last four employer. How old was it? Is it only one? The youngest is 1 year old.
1 year old.
Mm. You do have you take care
1 year
him?
old, ma'am.
1 year old. So you haven't take care baby before, a newborn baby.
If newborn baby, ma'am, because before in Singapore, I took her 1 year old also, and then the last one is 1 year old. So I can also take care a newborn baby, because I already experienced it with my daughter. So I promise that I can do to care the newborn baby, like bathing, changing diapers. I can guarantee, ma'am, that I know how to take care of a newborn baby, because I already experienced it by my own, with my daughter.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How did you take care the 3 year old kid?
How to take care of the baby,
The
ma'am?
3 year old kid. The 3 year old.
The 3 years old kids.
Mm.
The 3 year old kid. Because I have 1 year old, right? And then when she is 3 years old, a baby girl. Now, I in Singapore they have child care. Before she go to child care, in every morning, I wake her up, and then her up every morning, very calmly, and then I I prepared all her things in the bag, and then I prepare all her things to school, and then especially
Mm.
her milk, everything, and then I prepare to his bag, and then after that I change her uniforms, her clothes, everything, and then after that I will take her to eat, feed her, and then after that I will take her to the school, to the child care, and then I I I take her there, and then I and then she will be there for a half a day, and then the child will come home afternoon, and then I will take her again by bus with me, and then but before I go take her, I already prepared her food in the house, and
Mm.
then when we come back, she will eat, and then I will fix her again, and then I will put her to sleep.
Okay,
That's
enough, enough. Okay. So in Singapore, what kind of food you cook in Singapore?
Mom, I'm doing stir fry, steamed fish, and then fried rice. And then before, grandma and grandpa teach me how to do, the handmade noodles.
Oh,
They teach me how to make the handmade noodles,
uh-huh.
and then they teach me how to make it by soup or a noodles. And
Oh,
then I make also soup, like the Chinese soup. They
the
also
long soup.
teach me how to cook it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You still remember how to do it?
Yes, ma'am. Because I'm staying there for 2 years, and then sometimes if I want to do handmade Chinese food, I will do it by myself.
Okay.
I do it by myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So other than Chinese food, you also know how to cook Western food and Arabic food like that?
Arabic food, ma'am. I know Arabic food because I'm also cooking there in Arab country.
Mm.
I'm
How
also
about
cooking there for
okay? How about Western food? Western food.
Western food, ma'am.
Mm.
Before, ma'am, I do the salmon with the steak.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
do salmon, yeah, because they love salmons, and
Mm-hmm.
then sometimes beef steak like that.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
but ma'am, I'm willing to learn.
okay. What do you think about your cooking skill? Is it good?
Maybe I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know.
They say my employer said I'm good in cooking, but
Uh,
I don't know myself.
Okay. So
Yeah, because they ask
if I
me.
need you to rate yourself about your cooking skill from the scale of 1 to 10, what rating you will give yourself?
Oh my God. For me, ma'am, for myself, no employer can just tell. For me, maybe I just give vibe.
Five only.
because I know how to cook, ma'am, but if it's depend upon the employer, if they if they like my cooking.
Mm.
Okay, ma'am, because every time my employers wants me to cook,
So
they
they like
wants me
your
to cook
cooking
every
then.
day, every day, every day.
They like your cooking then, right?
Yeah.
So you you should be more than five then. Anyway, okay. How about
But I'm
clean?
cooking.
Okay. How about cleaning? Do you clean well?
Yes, ma'am, edge by edge.
Inch
When
by inch.
I do cleaning, especially especially in the bathroom and
Mm.
in the kitchen.
Mm.
Yeah,
Okay.
I I detailed, ma'am.
Okay. So you think your cleaning skill is you rate yourself 10? for cleaning or 9?
The cleaning, ma'am.
Yeah. Huh?
9, 10.
9 to 10.
Because I used to it.
Okay, all right. Okay, so have you you have experience taking care of elderly?
In Qatar, ma'am.
Elderly, how
In
old?
Qatar, my boss there is 60 years old, 61.
61.
61 years old. Because
Mm,
he's diabetic and have hypertension. So I
mm,
need to give him medication every day, and I'm the one who give him a food to eat.
mm. Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So, to work in Hong Kong is not easy, because especially when you take care the kids, they have a very busy school schedule or after school classes, and you need to work, fast, and also employer may be have high demanding on the worker. Do you think you can work under pressure?
Yes, ma'am. I can I can work under
Mm-hmm.
pressure,
Mm-hmm.
and I will promise that I will be flexible in everything, ma'am.
Okay. So can you describe a bit yourself? What kind of a person you think you are?
Me, I am a kind, hardworking person, honest, trustworthy, and I can work under pressure, and I can work flexible, and I can do household works detailed,
Mm.
and I will respect the rules inside the house, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, please pass a message to the future employer.
To my future employer, hi ma'am and sir, good day. I am Lady May Delon. I do promise that if you want me as your helper, I will try my best and willing to learn, and I will assure you that I will be honest, trustworthy, flexible, and I can work under pressure. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.
Okay. TW 2342，我俾個 rating 佢係 AA 加加嘅。咁Lady Miu 咧，佢38歲，就有一個14歲嘅女啦。咁佢曾經喺4個國家有做過嘅，分別係新加坡啦、卡達啦、Jordan 啦同埋沙地阿拉伯。咁每度咧都係做咗2年嘅。咁佢咧就話點解做咗2年咧？因為佢都想去即係每一個國家去體驗下。咁就同埋咧嗰陣時，因為其實佢早想嚟香港，但係因為香港要好多錢先至可以過到嚟，而其他嗰啲國家咧係唔需要佢哋俾錢嘅。咁所以佢就先去咗嗰度，而家儲啲錢啦，咁佢而家有錢就可以嚟香港。咁佢話香港就應該係佢最後嘅一站噶啦嚇。咁佢喺呢4個國家，佢都曾經係照顧一啲好細個嘅 BB 啦，都有青少年啦，同埋老人家嘅。咁老人家嗰啲唔係話唔行得走得嗰啲，即係只不過係有高血壓啊、糖尿啊嗰啲，佢要俾藥佢哋食啊咁樣。咁佢個人都幾開朗，幾好笑容，咁英文都講得好清楚流利嘅。咁佢亦都識煮一啲中國菜啦。佢同埋其他西方嘅都識嘅佢。咁另外就清潔，佢自己都話佢自己好 details 嘅。咁佢可以照顧BB 啦、小朋友啦、大朋友啦。都亦都可以教小朋友功課，同佢哋玩啊咁樣嘅。咁我俾個 rating 佢 AA 加加。